St. Louis Pandemic Task Force confirming today there's concern about rising hospitalizations as the Delta variant spreads among the unvaccinated population. But as News 4's Gabriela Vidal explains, there's hope after seeing more people are getting vaccinated.
In the past week, the state of Missouri saw a 25% increase in COVID-19 doses administered. Here in the county, some residents are looking at the COVID-19 vaccine in a new light.
If it's best for the community to get back to normal, I'm all for it.
A more hopeful outlook for some, as several residents were ready to get their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
As a young person, as a young adult, I'm just like, let me just make an adult move, let me step up and then get my shot so I can be safe for myself and other people as well.
We are seeing vaccine rates and vaccine numbers slowly start to go back up a little bit, which is really great to see. And we certainly hope that that will continue over the next few weeks and months.
The city of St. Louis reports a 2.5% jump in vaccinations this week. The county does not have that data available.
In the beginning, I was just curious as to how in 5 months they came up with a vaccine so fast. But now my life and my family's lives are more important than, just being doubtful.
These variants will continue to occur, and variants, like everything else, evolve to do better at their job.
Hillary Babcock, an infectious disease specialist, is worried people aren't getting vaccinated in part because of breakthrough cases of the virus.
And the people who do end up in the hospital who have been vaccinated are often people who are elderly or who have underlying conditions or immunosuppression that may limit their response to the vaccine.
Marjorie Moore works for Voice, a social service organization. She says less than 50% of nursing home staff are vaccinated in Missouri, which she worries could cause outbreaks among the elderly population.
In nursing homes, we actually do have a reasonably high percentage of people, especially residents, who are medically unable to get vaccinated. They're so frail. And so that's why it is even more important that staff, family members that come to visit, other folks that are involved in their care are vaccinated because these are the most vulnerable people.
Gabriela Vidal, News 4.
Babcock added if people do not mask up and get the vaccine, students returning to classes this fall could be at risk of getting COVID, which could force schools and school activities to quarantine or even close.